Isabel.
And welcome back to our channel. Today's video, we're gonna be doing 100 chicken nuggets, but with the twist.
We're gonna be challenging our dad.
Let's go.
Stop looking at me.
Daddy. Come here.
I feel so special.
What the heck? Are you ready for our challenge, Daddy?
Yeah, who's gonna win?
Probably us.
Probably yes, yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
Because
It's
this
three.
one
No, it's
people,
four.
and then 3 people right there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Okay,
Let's
start.
go.
let's start.
Gotta eat this. Yay. Okay.
You want barbecue, Gabby?
Yay. Barbecue. Give me barbecue. Yay. Yay, barbecue, Daddy. 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 Then it's a barbecue.
I'm already on one.
No. I shoved it in my mouth. And my mouth is full. My mouth is full of chicken nuggets.
Do you guys like chicken nuggets?
Yeah. No.
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 I have more.
Probably not gonna want any more after this.
My God. Oh my God.
I did not even drink the soda.
No.
We don't have any napkins. No.
Can you eat that more chicken nuggets?
How many chicken nuggets can you eat?
Yeah.
Tell it
My
down.
cheeks full.
Tell it down in
Oh.
the comment.
Yeah. You should put that in the comments.
Because this is a competition, I'm just shoving one by one in my mouth.
Yeah.
So, why you still have a bunch of chicken nuggets?
I don't know. Once, Mom.
I don't think Gabby's gonna eat much more than that.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I don't think James either.
I just have 2 in my mouth already. When my soda's gone, it's over.
Well, if you drink that whole soda, yeah. Your belly should be full.
I'll just be.
I
give
want to
up.
drink water right there.
I'll just be like, I give up.
I still got a lot.
We have 60 left.
30, 40, 50.
There's
1, 2, 3, 5,
8
6.
bucks.
You have 3.
Oh,
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
8 bucks is it?
10. I need more barbecue. Stuck. Guys, I need more
I keep
barbecue.
counting that you have 8.
Guys, I need more barbecue.
Oh, barbecue.
Yeah, good. Fill up on barbecue. James is all done with his butt?
Yeah, you have 1 left.
0.
You you're doing better than I thought.
I'm not for tiny, that's why I'm not even eating
So
it.
you guys are doing better than I thought.
Could you open this? No, I eat 10 calories.
10 calories every
No, I
day.
eat 1,000 calories every day. Not 10, I eat 1,000. Even though I'm still skinny.
I'm
almost
still like
full.
You guys, I think you're full.
I'm not full. If I'm full, then you will lose.
I think you're really, really full.
I'm not going. I think if I'm full, if I don't have soda, then I'm gonna be full and then I lose. I'm gonna lose. No, if I can win, and that means Kuya win.
Yeah, it's you guys against me.
Oh,
Is it fair?
yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
50 left.
Yeah, Daddy doesn't. Daddy only is still on his first one. Next is gonna be 40. So I'm on my second one.
Yeah, he's eating almost as many as me.
No.
Fill
No.
up your belly with soda.
No, I'm not gonna drink a lot of soda because all my soda's gonna be gone.
You drink more than me.
Then you'll be dead. All my soda's is gonna be gone. Okay. Good.
So you're pretty good.
How? Daddy, you should get more soda because. Well, you should get more soda because you're gonna.
Isabel's slowing down. She kept up with me in the first box. Kuya's still chewing away over there though.
Oh no, looking at us.
You're gonna hit your limit pretty soon.
Hmm?
You're gonna be full pretty soon. You gotta chew the ones you get in your mouth. It's not a race.
It is a race.
Competition.
Yeah. I'm putting it how it's like it's who has the biggest mouth.
It's faster. I'm trying. No. You have 70.
No.
You have 50. You're catching up. You just need 2 more boxes.
You can't be done with this box though. Because he's got one box done already.
There was some on there me eating candy.
We're making a tower of chicken
No.
nuggets.
That's what I'm doing. I'm making a tower of my victory boxes.
Now you almost made me spit it out.
6, 7, 70. Go. I think that's 7 of them.
No.
Yeah, which is
there's
70.
7 left.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No problem.
Just add another one.
Just add another. We got 40 left.
It's recording.
Okay.
They're gonna witness your trickery.
Yeah.
I didn't put any barbecue. Okay, well, get your.
So snowy out.
People are gonna yell at you in the comments. Gabby. The people are gonna yell at you in the comments. let's get started.
I think I'm gonna win right now.
Think I am gonna win?
Yeah. I'm a limit for chicken.
I've been just drinking
He's
soda
slowing
right
down
now.
too.
If I drink soda, I can eat more chicken nuggets.
Well, a little bit. But eventually the soda's gonna fill up your belly too.
I need a drop the soda out of my mouth.
Slow down. I mean, roll up and how much chicken nuggets gone, and now I can eat more chicken nuggets.
I just need like a burp for it.
We're probably gonna lose.
He's done, pretty much.
I'm full.
She's just about done.
I'm full.
He's almost done too. They're all almost done.
I'm full.
Well, you
I can't eat anymore.
guess it either.
See another box in me.
I can't eat anymore.
So what's that mean you gave them?
You
You
lost.
lose?
Bye bye.
You didn't lose yet.
You're gonna have to finish the 100 chicken nuggets.
Well, if they would.
Now,
No,
they can eat the 50,
and then I will win.
and you'll eat 10, and they'll eat the other 90, right?
Probably when.
50, 40, 10.
Probably when I was. Probably when I take the break, then I might eat a little
Oh,
more.
they eat more?
Okay.
Probably like one more.
How many more nuggets you can eat?
I think this
I
is
can
the
only
only
eat
box
up to
where I
20.
can- Is that your other 820?
This is.
I'm slowing down.
Well, I'm not done. I only have 2 left.
Come on now.
No, I ate 30. I only ate
One
10.
people want that. Yeah. Okay. It feels like I was gonna burn.
You're done, Gabby?
Oh.
Gabby ate 12.
No, 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 no.
No,
Please
you
just eat
I can't.
5 more.
I can't.
Please. Please.
It's actually 2 more than I thought he would. James is already, well, like 19.
I just
4 more
ate.
than I thought he would.
I just ate 4 of them in there.
I'm not gonna check him.
What? How much did I? No,
Everyone,
more than
put your
1,
boxes in here.
2.
Only if Daddy
5,
gives
6,
them
7. I just ate a little bit. I just ate like 3 of them. One, two, three.
No, 4 empty boxes. I'm done.
But you gave up? Okay, so that means we won. James is still chewing.
Oh yeah, I got 4 empty boxes. You guys have 4 empty boxes.
Yeah, but James, eat the 2 left. Then we'll have 5.
Okay.
Eat the 2. Then we'll win.
Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3. I don't know for guys. Could I win?
Go,
Please.
James. Go, James. Go, James. Go, James. Eat 2 more. Eat 2 more. Go, James.
Try it out.
I'm gonna try to eat more. Okay, good.
Here, eat this one.
Come on. You eat it.
But I'm gonna throw up if I eat more.
Eat it so you can fill up, so you can eat more. Oh.
Why you put all my soda?
Let's find my soda.
5.
5.
Okay, we ate 5.
One. Daddy just ate a 0.
Whatever. I could eat another 2
Plus-
boxes.
No.
No. Come on.
3
If you burp, you can eat.
plus 3 equals 5.
Okay, let's guys. Someone burp so we can. Someone stop
I'll eat a
eating.
burp.
James, tiny pieces at a time.
We went this. Daddy ate only 40 and we ate 50.
Yeah.
And if you like this video, comment down below.
And
Please like, share, and subscribe.